Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Mika Dimopilis from Group 5 and we are here inside the guidance office of Mrs. Marisa Monisor. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
So, here's the questions that we prepared. And number one is, what can you say about juvenile delinquency?
Juvenile delinquency means people in the street o yung mga bata na nagkalat na naliligaw ng landas na kailangan turuan o itama, doon sila natututo na iba't iba nilang bisyo.
What are the causes of juvenile
I
delinquency?
think the main causes we are broken family, financial, and then parang ano siya yung because of the peer groups, yung mga barkada nila.
Do you think that it is illegal to them? No, it is legal to them to send them to jail even though they're only minors? Why or why not?
I think it's not advisable to send in a jail because they are a minor people, so much better to send it in DSWD, in